We don't need no fancy meats. We're making Chaliapin Steak Don. First, a primer on a few Japanese ingredients. In this box is hayashi rice roux. It's got some seasonings and starches that's going to tie the whole steak dish together. It's a pretty great pantry staple. This stuff is umeboshi paste. Super salty and packed with umami. You can find each of these at your local Asian supermarket or online. You can leave them out and your food will still be pretty tasty though. Alright, you're also going to need hella minced onions. Here's how I mince them. First, slice an onion in half. Then, slice that half in half. Alright, now start slicing off thin half moons. Cool! Now stack your half moons and then slice through the pile. Sweet! Perfectly minced onions every time! Oh, and you're going to want to mince a garlic clove too. I use a bench scraper to get every single piece into a bowl. Alright, now grab some cheap beef cutlets. This is bottom round, nice and fatty. Cover the cutlets with your minced onions and allow them to marinate for at least half an hour in the fridge. Alright, now this is a Don, which means you'll need medium or short grain rice. Rinse your rice under a faucet until it's clean. Then you can place it into a pot and add water. Bring to a boil, cover it, and cook it on the lowest heat. It should take about 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's make a seasoning for our rice. In a small bowl, combine rice vinegar, sugar, and that pink and tasty umeboshi paste. Whisk it until totally combined. Now dump your cooked rice into your biggest bowl. Drizzle on the paste and mix it until totally combined. Now you can cover it with a tea towel and set it aside. Okay, retrieve your meat and your onions from the fridge and put each into a separate bowl. Now say hello to this sharp boy. It's a meat tenderizer. Run them over all your cutlets to make that meat hecka tasty. Now season each with salt and pepper. Perfect! In a large nonstick pan, add some butter. Once it melts, add your onions. Season with a little bit of salt and pepper, and cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until they're golden brown. Set them aside in a small bowl. Alright, in a small measuring cup go some red wine, and a slight deviation from Yukihira's recipe, a little bit of cola. Just trust me on this one. Now add another tablespoon of butter to the pan and start frying your cutlets. Remove them to a clean plate and repeat with all your meat. Once they're done browning, add your liquid and your hayashi rice square. Stir to combine. Once it's boiling, Place your meat and cook on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes, or until your meat is cooked and the sauce is thick. Like this! Let's serve this bad boy up. Get you some of that umeboshi rice. Pile on a few cutlets. Drizzle with the sauce. And pile on those onions. I top it with some chives too for color. Now it's ready to wow your pants off! Yuki Hira Soma's Chaliapin Steak Don! Oishii desu!